Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to ABC Show Learning channel. Today we learn capital letters, alphabets A to Z. Kids class name. Red color, red color. Black color, black color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Kids, now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we draw A. A is for apple. A is for ant. And use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B is for ball. B is for bat. Kids, again use red color and draw C. C is for cat. C is for car. D. D is for dog. D is for doll. Kids, now draw E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. And use black color. Black color. F. F is for fish. F is for fan. Kids, again use black color and draw G. G is for God. G is for grapes. Kids, now draw H. H is for hand. H is for helicopter. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw I. I is for ice. I is for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J is for joker. J is for jackfruit. Kids, again use blue color and draw K. K is for kite. K is for king. Kids, now draw L. L is for lion. L is for lemon. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw M. M is for moon. M is for mango. Kids, again use yellow color and draw N. N is for nose. N is for nest. Kids, now draw O. O is for orange. O is for octopus. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw P. P is for parrot. P is for penguin. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. R. R is for rose. R is for rice. Kids, now draw S. S is for sun. S is for sheep. And use green color. Green color. T. T is for teacher. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. U is for uncle. Kids, now draw V. V is for van. V is for vanilla. And use red color. Red color. W. W is for wolf. W is for watch. Kids, again use red color and draw X. X is for X-ray. X is for xylophone. Kids, now draw Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Kids, today you draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye.